What is the most important factor for a flashlight? Brightness. But some powerful flashlights are too bulky to carry around. Introducing the X2, the most powerful EDC flashlights from Wuben. X2 is a powerful and portable tool, small and easy to carry. With 2500 lumen max output and a 3.35-inch long body, it is the most powerful flashlight in your pocket. There are 4 brightness levels, and when you double tap to activate the turbo mode, it's 2500 lumens. The cap design is from X0. It combines the switch and charging port cap together, and it's still IP6A. Even underwater for 1 hour, Wuben X2 will work well. With a lithium battery pack, it can be used for days after being fully charged. Wuben X2 features customizable brightness. You can change the current levels with different brightness easily. Wuben X2 not only can help you navigate the darkness, but serves as your perfect partners in the wild.